You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. A word from anatomy. If you want to learn more medications and medical terms pronounced, stay tuned. Gyrus is the English pronunciation here. No, you do not say gyrus. It could be, but it's actually gyrus. The correct English pronunciation is gyrus. How to pronounce gyrus? It's easy once you know gyrus, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.